All right, welcome back to another exciting build video. We are on wall 6 today, wall 6, sheet 4. And so far, we've got all of these, we got the perimeter for wall 6 in, and then we got those cut. This bundle is not needing any sanding to put these in, so that went really quickly. Just to catch you up, we have these studs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we got our spacers. The spacers are arbitrary at this point. Okay, so these are just we're just keeping these loose pieces in here just to make sure that we have enough room when we go to put our 1-inch channel blocks in here later. Okay, so we're just moving right along. We're moving this direction. We're going to get this stud, this stud, this stud, and this last stud. Ba-bam, ba-ba-ba-ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom, boom. Look at that. We are just tearing this up. All right. So I'm not going to go over tools today. We have our announcements. Our announcements are over. We lost a little bit of build time. I'm just getting right to the build. So very carefully align your pieces as you are nailing in. Put your nails in horizontally, holding down on the two pieces that you're nailing together. So right now, these are the two pressure points that I have, and I'm pushing down. I've checked the alignment. If the alignment was off, then I would nudge it from side to side. Oops, I just dropped my nail. There we go. Bam. I am so proud of all your progress on these builds. It's very exciting to see people's pictures that they've been sending me on this. Really cool. Really. Some supreme effort from building trades and construction to students. There we go. Boom. This one got nudged just a little bit. There we go. Got it. Get it, got it. Oh, actually, I forgot. There's one more thing that I can do. I learned this last period. I figured this out. Oh, that was the wrong one. Wow, that was embarrassing. There. I was getting some better feedback that this is that this shows you more. You can see this easier than the other videos presentation. So I hope you can see it better. And please type in the chat if you can see it a little bit better. I hope that helps. If it's not helping, I'll just go back. But that seems to be what other people said in the other class. So yeah, I'm learning new things about this presentation mode and how it looks on the other computers. I don't have my other screen next to me right now, so I can't really see. Awesome, awesome. I'm glad that you can see it better now. That was my whole goal, is for you to be able to see it a lot better. This dock cam, I just love this dock cam for this. It seems like this is the right size project for a dock cam. I like the controls on it. The sound is not the dock cam's fault, but I can't really wear a mic for this part. Because if I have to get up, then it's just, if I had a wireless mic, I would totally do that. we are looking so good here. Look at that. Wall 6 is just really getting done here. Now, in our normal sequence, of course, we have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, perimeter, complete. Then we do full studs. Nail in the bottom, nail in the top. Nail, 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 nail. Make sure you keep your spacers in there for later. And after we're done with all of these, we look at what's next. 4x4 header, then we do the cripples, then we do the I'm just blanking on this. These are the, I'm totally blanking. Let me look at the other sheet. This isn't marked very, oh, trimmers. These are the 2x4 trimmers. Okay, so those are the trimmers that we'll put in there. And this is happening very quickly. So let's go to my piece of my piece of 4x4. Here's my identification on the 4x4. The 4x4, if you're having any questions on what the 4x4 is, take 2 of the 8-foot studs, put them together, and look at the end. And then that is the same as the 4x4's end. Okay, so that will help you. That will help you make your identification without measuring. This side is really beat up. I'm gonna sand it. For some reason, that was really beat up. Okay. Oh, I sanded a little too much. Maybe I'll be able to use that somewhere else. I'm not happy with that, that fit on that piece. I was in a hurry. That's always happens when I'm in a hurry. I sand this edge. Okay. Let's check that fit. It's just a little bit big. I like cutting them just a little bit large. Oh. Yes. Why? I wonder why I can't hear you. Um, Why wouldn't I be able to hear you? Maybe present mode means that I can't hear you. Hold on, let me stop presenting. That's weird. But why can't I hear you? Oh, okay. Yes, if you have to go. Did you, oh, when I'm presenting, it doesn't let me hear the little bleep bleep. It doesn't let me hear the little notification. Well, I hope that you have a good rest of the weekend. And if I see you, then I see you. And if not, Enjoy yourself. Relax. Okay, Dominic? Bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna get back into present mode. I guess the only downside of present mode is that I might not be able to hear you when you're typing, but I'm pretty sure I can hear you if you're talking. Share. Okay. All right, back to work. I'm just adjusting the monitor so I can see a little bit better. Okay. All right, where were we? What was I doing? Oh, the header, of course, of course. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. It's just a little snug, which I really like having that little bit of snugness in there. And let's get some nails in. A nail from the left and a nail from the right. There we go. Nice. Looks like we're going to be doing some cripples next. Let's take a look at what that would take. Let's see, put it here. All right, just a little bit. I'm building up a lot of sawdust, so I'm going to shake that off real quick. I'll just work down. Let's see. Still a little long. You know, I'm just sanding a little bit, not too much. I want it snug, almost. Awesome. Okay, this is going to be my master for marking all of these next ones. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3 more. I need 3 more of these. So here we go. Mark it there. I'm going to go to the opposite side, mark it here. Ready to cut that, and I need 1 more. I need 3. I like marking them very quickly so you get them all done at once. I'm going to put this one in here. Boom. Okay, so let's cut our next piece. That's looking good. Put that other piece up there. Let's cut these 2. And last one. There. Checking individual fit. This needs just a little bit of sanding. Okay, let's get these nailed in. I'm just going to use one from the top. I think that's the easiest. Watch your angle. If you're pushing at too upward an angle, you're going to poke yourself. And if you push at too downward of an angle, you're going to attach this to the paper. That's locked in. Now, next is the trimmers. There and there. So those two are the next pieces. Let's mark and cut. How close did I get it? Really close. I grabbed the wrong one. Get in there. All right, that's looking nice. That's looking nice. We got all this good looking stuff here. So we are going to put the nails in from the bottom. I like doing these from the bottom first. They seem very easy and straightforward from the bottom. These top ones I put in an angle for these two trimmers. Okay, so let's get an angled nail in here. And again, why I put an angled nail in at like an angle like this is because this one is blocked here for me. I could try to put it in like that, but then it's at such an angle. So I like to put it in like this. So let's zoom in for that. This is great. I'm trying to hide this nail in the wall. If I put it in straight, it's just going to come out the other side, possibly poke me when I'm grabbing this. So this is the safest way to do it, so you don't have any exposed nail tips. Now here is going to be the next one I'm going to do. I'm just going to go up at a pretty aggressive angle. Wow, that's done. You know, you give it the little wiggle test. Is this in there? Yep. Yep. Very satisfied with that. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, and so what we're looking at next is, let me take a look here. We have all these fire blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this one has a gap. And you're like, what, did they make a mistake? No, that's for the wall heater. So they're using something called a wall heater, and the wall heater exists. Now, I don't particularly like these because these are a remnant of older styles. This is not heating that goes through the entire house. This is local heating, and it's limited to where it is. And for the price of these, I can't stress this enough. You might be looking at $1,400. You're definitely looking at more than 1,000 for a UL listed wall heater. And then that's only going to heat the two rooms. It's going to heat the room that is on this side, the side that you're looking at, the side up here, and it's going to heat the other side of the room. And that's if you get a nice one. So what it looks like is that for about 2,000, maybe 2,200, you could get something that can supply warm air through your entire house and efficiently heat every single room. So that would be called central heating, and the unit is not much bigger than this for a small house. So I would really get away from this. Instead, install a whole house heater. And what some people don't know is the air conditioner, most of the new air conditioners do heat and cold. So, you also have that issue. We don't have extreme temperatures here, but it is worth mentioning that this is an older type of installation, and it's not bad. I believe it's just less efficient. Okay, so let's take a look here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to do 9, then cut these pieces. This is going to go really quickly. So this is standard. I'm going to count how many standards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is too small. This is not standard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to cut 8. Let's go. Ooh, that's nice. Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to cut 8 more. So this is 1, 2. Grab another 2x4. Actually, grab another 3 2x4s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got it. I'm going to just put my master in there and then cut all these right now, and then just go cut, 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 cut. Then I'm going to put them in, and then sand, 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 then nail, 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 nail. Okay, so we have a method, and the method is about efficiency. We want to approach the work efficiently. We want to approach the work with as little waste as possible. We want to approach the work with a plan. And if we don't have a plan, we are going to set ourselves up for frustration. We are going to set ourselves up for being upset when setbacks arise. We're going to set ourselves up for Lots of questions, maybe more trips to the store if we don't have a plan. Having a plan is very important. Boy, this one's hard. Oh, I'm already regretting using this one. Oh boy. Wow, this one's super hard. I'm gonna start with the hard one. Cut that way too short. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This one wasn't the standard size, so I cut all those wrong. Eh. Oh, I'm so frustrated. But do not be overcome with emotion when you make these little mistakes. I'm sure that they can work for something. And if we did make a huge mistake, then we would just go to the bag, put them in the bag. A little bit more. That one kind of works a little bit. Let's see if this one works all better. No. Yes. No. No. Disappointing. This is my first big mistake in this project. Yes. Okay. So this is my first big mistake. Not too big. Not too big. Save those for later. Just because we made a mistake doesn't mean we get upset. Shake it off. Get back in the game. Now I don't like this one. This one's super hard, so I'm gonna leave this one out of the rotation for now, and then get this new one in here and try to get some better. This one also feels really hard. Mhm. Okay, this is looking good. This will be our new master. Here we go. Got it? getting a lot of sawdust buildup. I'm going to empty that out right now. As the piece, and this is the same piece that I've been using the whole time. We're not putting a lot of stress on this piece or really using it up or whatever you want to call it very much, but it does become clogged with sandpaper over time. And so what you do, and I don't do this inside normally, but this is our shop. I do it just because for speed. But if I was at home and building this inside the house, I would take this outside and I would flick it. Get all that dust off. Now, when you do that, the dust is going to go everywhere. So don't do that inside the house. But then it's all ready to go again. It's nice and clean. Of course, I gave you more than one piece of sandpaper, so you're ready to go. If you just want to switch over, if you use it up, no problem. And if you need more, no problem. Just ask, and I will make that available for you to pick up. Great, 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 great. And we got these two. This is actually quite a bit bigger than I had imagined. Sanded that one too much. Okay. Next step is I'm going to cut these into my 1-inch pieces and then replace these spacers with the 1-inch pieces in here, and then nail all of these fire blocks, then go to the top and put the cap plate on. So I think I have enough time to cut these quickly. So let me do that. Now I'm not in a rush when I say quickly. I think I just mean it'll get done is the next step. I can't pick this up. My fingers are too large. So just use a little tool to pick them up. And then these just have to be about 1 inch long. So I'm just going to get my tape measure, and I can get 3 pieces out of this one piece. One, and these can be done fast because they're not really critical. I marked this one wrong. When you get in a hurry, you make these mistakes that we shouldn't make. This is not even marking it. This is just holding the other one right on top of the lower one and getting those cuts done. So then that's 3, and I need 3 more. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm just dropping these in. This is my last part for today. And then I'll nail these in and the fire blocks. So I'll nail these channel blocks and the fire blocks in next video.